Alright y'all, I've been waiting for this to come, trying out this butcher box meat. We got the delivery today, a couple of boxes here. I'm super pumped to open these things up, see what time it is. Here we go. Grass-fed ground beef, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Alright, no antibiotics, growth hormones ever, all vegetarian feeds. Then beautiful pork chops. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Chicken. Those beautiful chicken thighs. You all know Asians love chicken thighs. Hold on now. Go ahead and check these bad boys out. Ooh wee. Let's see what else we got. That whole butcher box organic chicken. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's gonna be delicious. I love roast chicken. Love roast chicken. Roast that whole chicken, baby. All right. Beautiful bone-in pork butt. Set it up every month or every 2 months based on what you need. This lasts me like a long time, 2-3 months. But that butcher box comes with that insulation, the insulation pad, dry ice, beautiful packaging, shipped right to your front door. I'm Chef Bravo with Bravo Unlimited. Today I have for you a beautiful pork butt, a teaspoon of kosher salt, teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic, half a teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of onion powder. Take that, combine it all together, and create your own dry rub. There's a lot of other ways to do it. If you guys have any other ways you'd like to do it, to prepare to make your pork butt. We're just doing pulled pork today. Just drop a comment, let me know. I'm always trying to learn things, but right now we finished browning it on all sides. We preheated our oven to 450 degrees. Once we browned it on all sides, we put it right into the oven. It's been in the oven baking for the past 4 hours, so we're going to pull it out. It's been covered with aluminum foil for 4 hours. We're going to pull it out, uncover it, and put it back in for the final hour. So the trick is we start at 450 degrees. After browning it, put it right into the oven and immediately reduce the temperature down to 325. Oh yeah. Yeah. As you can see, we're looking beautiful. Looking beautiful. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a test. In 1 second. For pulled pork, you should be able to pull it apart as it gets closer to being complete. So we'll just grab it. You guys, a little demonstration, see how it looks. See how that is right there? See how it's just shredding, no problem? All right, we're perfect. We're right where we want to be. So we're gonna let it sit in the oven another hour, uncovered. Should finish it up just perfectly. All right. There it is. Be in there for about another hour, guys. See you guys here shortly for the finished product. All right, you guys, here we go. We're back. This beautiful, beautiful pork butt is done. It's been in here slow roasting for 5 hours. We're gonna open up this oven, see what we got. All right. And there it is. Okay. Give it a little bit of test. We're going to let this rest for a few minutes before we take everything apart. I'm going to give it a little test just to make sure. See that, how it just shreds like that? That's exactly what we're looking for, family. That is our beautiful, beautiful pork butt. Alright, guys. Last but not least, I'm going to show you guys a little demonstration. 2 forks right here. We're back. There's our beautiful pork butt, and this is what everybody knows. If you don't know, all you barbecue enthusiasts out there, like smokers and all that other stuff, this is a slow roasted beautiful pork butt, 6-pounder. This is the beautiful pulled pork. I'm gonna test this for you guys one time. And y'all love barbecue. I feel like this recipe is I'm starting to get it even a little bit better. This is beautiful and delicious. I know we're gonna enjoy it, we're about to. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it or you have any comments, please leave them below. Until next time, thank you for everything. It's your guys' support that's helping me to build this channel. Please share it with your friends. Until next time, we out here.